Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel tea at home. This easy method will guide you through creating a delightful, warm beverage perfect for any time. We will start by gathering just a few simple ingredients you likely already have. Then, we will quickly prepare a rich caramel base. Finally, we will combine everything to craft a comforting and flavorful drink in about 10 minutes. Let's get started. Now let's create that wonderful caramel base. Grab a heavy-bottomed saucepan. This helps prevent burning. Add about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to the pan. Heat it over medium-low heat, stirring constantly. Watch as the sugar slowly melts and transforms into a beautiful golden amber liquid. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Be very careful not to let it get too dark, as burnt caramel can taste quite bitter. With our caramel ready, it's time for the tea. Brew 1 cup of strong black tea. Your favorite blend works perfectly. Once brewed, carefully pour the hot tea directly into the saucepan with the caramel. It might sizzle a bit, which is normal. Stir continuously until the caramel fully dissolves into the tea, creating a rich, dark liquid. Then, add about 1/2 cup of milk or cream to make it wonderfully creamy. Almost there. Gently heat the entire caramel tea mixture over low heat until it's perfectly warm. Remember, do not let it boil once the milk is added, as this can cause it to curdle. Once heated, carefully pour your delicious homemade caramel tea into your favorite mug. For an extra special touch, you can drizzle a little more caramel on top or add a sprinkle of cinnamon. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your comforting creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.